Hi guys! For today's video, samahan nyo kaming baybayin ng daan mula Quezon City hanggang Nasugbu, Batangas. This journey takes 3 to 4 hours of long rides and sobrang nakakangali sa puwet and balakang, pero it's nothing when you see the beautiful views and hear the sound of nature. A week before, we planned that since it's holiday which all have no duty or work, mas okay mag-vacation sa Nasugbu, Batangas, which andun ang aming friend na sina Ate Annalyn and Kuya Sherwin na pwedeng mag-accommodate sa amin sa buong maghapon. Even though puyat, pagod, and also gutom kaming lahat, we used to manage to drive as early as possible in the morning, around 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Nakapaghanda ng lahat para sa long rides. And which nandito na nga kami sa Capiang Tunnel na sikat na puntahan ng mga motorista like us. We never waste time to take a picture on the said tunnel. In my part, it was my third time to come here in the said famous Capiang Tunnel. And I know there's a lot of people na talaga namang paulit-ulit na binabalik-balikan itong mga overlooking places and views dito lamang located sa Batangas. This is one of the most popular tourist spot in the Philippines. And hindi na nga nakapagtataka when you see a lot of tourists here for wandering also for this kind of nature. A lot of people and bikers are enjoying the beauty of nature, the calmness of the seaside, and the smoothness of the road. And habang magkakasama naming binabaybay ang daan patungo sa Nasugbu, Batangas, mapapansin nyo rito ang dami ng tao na nag-o-offer ng kanilang business like renting cottages or tour guide para i-tour kayo sa mga different part of Batangas. The range of the cottages is about 200 to 600 pesos and maybe the cost might be deeper if you stay in the cottage the whole night. Guys, makikita na natin ang province of Batangas na kung saan is nandito na kami sa mismong spot ng Batangas. And napahinto nga kami dahil sa isang unggoy na nakatago sa mga dahon which is naka-attract sa amin and good spot na rin para makapahinga ang aming mga katawan even in just a minute of time while waiting sa iba pa naming mga kasama. And again, we continue our long ride since nagkita-kita na din kami kung saan kami nagpahinga. Nagmadali na kami and needed na makarating sana ng mas maaga para makapag-relax na din ng bawat isa sa amin. All of us put an effort to make it happen like waking up early just to make sure na matuloy ang aming plan for our one-day vacation. And after a million years of long ride, nakarating na rin kami dito sa bahay nila Ate Annalyn and Kuya Sherwin. And we already meet them with the expression of excitement in their faces. And as usual guys, sa haba ng aming nilakbay mga biniyahe ng aming grupo, sa wakas ay nakakaupo at nakakatayo na kami ng diretsyo. And mapapansin nyo na talaga namang nagutom kami sa haba ng aming biniyahe. And we are all tired pero we are all still happy and feel of relief dahil nga successfully na nakapunta kami dito sa bahay ng aming friend dito sa Nasugbu, Batangas. After namin kumain ng inihanda nila Kuya Sherwin and Ate Annalyn na pagkain, which is ang nilagang bulalo, nilagang saging, at sobrang init na kape, nabili na rin kami ng mga lulutuin namin para sa pananghalian at pagkain na rin para mamayang gabi. At ibang klase ng uri ng dagat ang aming mga pinamili. We plan it na ihawin, ikilaw, isigang, and adobong gata, which is my favorite out of all. And habang excited na nga ang lahat at naghahanda na ang iba para sa aming next adventure, which ang goal or plan is maligo at mag-relax sa dagat. Ang iba naming kasamahan ay namili na rin ng kanilang mga iinumin. Everything is cool and perfect ika nga. And while waiting, nakatulog ako sa sobrang antok and pagod sa biyahe na rin siguro. And ayun na nga guys, pwede na kaming kumain dito. And after namin kumain dito is pumunta na kami sa dagat para maligo. We should not waste our last hours left for nothing. Kaya pagkatapos na rin namin kumain the second time, dumiretso na kami dito sa dagat and sobrang ganda nga dito. A lot of kid vendors here and I always buy my pearls, bracelet, and earrings here. And sometimes a necklace. That is Kat and Shang na talagang enjoy na enjoy ang pagliligo sa dagat. And some other group members on the other side. And as for me, pinapakiramdaman ko muna ang sarili ko before lumublob sa tubig. And masarap sanang mag-overnight dito pero we don't have enough time kaya we all need to go back in Manila. And as for Ate Annalyn and Kuya Sherwin, a lot of thanks for both of you for the good accommodation and early food and drinks. Hindi magiging successful ang plan na ito without both of you. And sobrang saya namin dahil nagkasama-sama na naman tayo. And as for the group, we are all united because of the eagerness and creative mind. Even sa pag-uwi, hindi tayo nagkawatak-watak. We are all settled for not letting from each one of us na magkahiwa-hiwalay from the first part. So thank you guys for the good memories to keep and for the long journey with all of you. God bless everyone!